Hello, good day. Welcome to Josida Studios. Today we'll be talking about the viral WooCommerce plugin, BuyForMe. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel where we bring you weekly videos on WordPress and graphic designing tricks and tutorials. So today we'll be talking about this plugin. It's actually a review. I recently get to know about this plugin and I felt I should bring it to your notice and how it works and how important this would be to your e-commerce website. So let's dive right into it. First of all, this plugin was launched not quite long ago, and also is really cheap, like really cheap for with what it does. It's really cheap, which is $24, and also you can extend the support to 12 months, which will cost you extra $7.13. Yeah, it's worth it, trust me. Yeah, and they've won several awards concerning this plugin. The team behind this, they won several awards and total sales. I can proudly say I've contributed like 5 sales to this, like for my clients. And also, this is how it works. Once someone had to visit your site and they don't have the cash to pay and they wish that someone should pay for them, all they just need to do is they'll click on the buy for me button and then they put in the details of the person that they want him or her to pay for that goods or services, you understand, and the person gets a mail for it. So that's what I'll be showing you. So these are some reviews and some details about the product. Now, these are customers' reviews also that you might want to take closer look at. Trust me when I say you won't regret getting this plugin, you won't do that. So this is how it works when it's implemented in site. It works with all plugins. So like I know some persons might be asking, is it going to work with my own team? It works with all plugins. You might want to try out this plugin, which is called Sina or Puka. The link is in the description below how you can get that. You understand? That is one of the best team that you might want to think of. Like, it's good and it's highly responsive. It works perfectly with this too. Yeah, so let me dive right into this. Yeah, after installing this theme, all you just need to do is walk through the activation and also the settings. It's really simple. So this is how your customers are going to view your product. Once they come to your site and they don't want to add to carts, they want someone to buy for them, all they just need to do is click on buy for me. And once they do that, here they can select a color for this section, this preview here. That's the email preview. Select any color of their choice, you understand. And also the button, this button now will be replaced with something. Let's say buy this for me, something like that. And also here is the message. I might not really want to customize that. Here's the price if you wish to leave the price, if your customer wish to leave the price there. And also here's the name. That's the customer's name. So in this case I'm going to be using Josida. And also this is the email, you understand. The customer's email needs to be placed in here. And then the receiver's name. In this case I'm going to be using my own name, and also the receiver's email. So here is the subject. You might want to customize they might want to customize this, or like they just leave it. So now in this case I'll just tap send and it goes straight to my friend that is supposed to buy this for me. Now you just see it there. It has been sent to that email. But see, there's one interesting part about this, which is the fact that the person who sent this mail now is interested in getting this product and the other person don't know. Okay, now once they get that mail, they might want to get this product. They will visit your site, and if they love some other stock of which you sell, they might want to get more. So this is like a market strategy you might want, like it's a plugin you might want to try. So let's see how the mobile view is going to look like before we check the email. Now, this is how the mobile view is. It's really responsive too. All you just need to do is click on the buy for me. Over here you can change the color. Also you can change the buy button, the button text, and also your message. Also you can hide the price too. Yeah, the name, the receiver's name, and everything, and also you tap send. This is how it's going to look like when it gets to your mail. Let me refresh my mail so that you can see that. Now this is it. So like, it's like coming from Josie, that's the name we place in there first. So this is it, and here you're going to see the site email, and this is how it's going to look like. So if the person so interested to get this product for me, all the person does have to do is click on the buy this product, and it takes the person right directly to my site. And once he or she gets here, they love the product, they buy it and send it to my own address. So that's it. During the customization, like during this message, this message section, the person might want to put his or her address. Yeah, during this section. Yeah. So that's it for today, and that's all for this review. Please, if you want more of this, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get more tutorial videos on Photoshop, WordPress, Illustrator, and many more. Thanks.